So I should like this eyeliner. Should, keyword should. Okay. What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt. If you're new here, today we have another IPSY unboxing. Yes, finally back with another IPSY unboxing. So if you guys would like to see what I received for this month of December, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, okay? Period. So as normal, I'm showing my business. As normal, I didn't open this box yet, so I'm about to open this. Like, I just ripped it just now so we can see what we got together. Okay, so this month's theme is time to shine. It says sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks. Get your skin glowing and share your light inside and out with the ones you love. I was gonna do that anyway. You radiate beauty and you deserve to live in the spotlight. This month you have all eyes on you with shimmer, shine, and your brightest makeup moments to date. Okay, so first we're gonna go through the regular glam bag. The regular glam bag is $13 a month and you get 5 deluxe sample size products. Sometimes they might even slip in a regular size product in there. You never know. So these are the 2 glam bags for the month of December that we have. I'm digging the theme. Are y'all digging it? Because I'm digging it, okay? And this is what this bag looks like. Really pretty. It's not super soft. It has texture to it. Pink and rose gold kind of, with a gold zipper. So the first product I have in this bag is the Dragon Beauty Dragon Wink liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade Blackout, which is really cool. The only product I've really tried out from Dragon Beauty was their eyeshadow, the Nikita eyeshadow palette in the lip gloss set. It came with like 3 glosses. I don't know if that was even a set, but it was like 3 glosses with a red, a nude, and like a pinky nude. But I did like those products, so I should like this eyeliner. Should, keyword should. Okay, so the next one we have the sample size of the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Hydrating Face Primer, and it says that this helps minimize the look of pores. So next I have this, I hope I'm not butchering this name too much, but this is the Oriza Beauty Royalty Shimmer Eyeshadow, and this is what she looks like on the inside of that palette. So next we have this Terre de Mars Variance Eye Contour. I'm guessing that this is like an eye cream. And last but not least, we have this Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara. So this is a volumizing mascara. I'm guessing that this is more perfect for the beach babes, you know. So the Glam Bag Plus comes with 5 full-size products and it's only $28 a month. So per usual, I'm gonna add up how much all these products cost in this bag compared to the $28 that you pay monthly to see. I mean, there's really nothing to see. Just to show you guys the amount of savings you guys could get if you subscribe to the Glam Bag Plus, which is always a plus, you know what I'm saying? So this is what the Glam Bag Plus looks like. It's a pale pink with gold stars all over it. Super cute. The strings are goldish. So in the Glam Bag Plus, the first product we have are 2 limited edition face masks. The first one is Baby It's Gold Outside, which has 24 karat gold and collagen, which is perfect for firming and moisturizing. So the next mask is 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely, and this mask contains collagen and squalene. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. This is a hydrating, youth promoting, and collagen boosting mask. So I'm so excited to try these out. So next up we have these 2 brushes from Bella Argent. And the first brush in here is the Spotlight Blush and Highlight Brush. Okay, and the next brush is the Leading Lady Powder Bronze and Buff Brush. So let's just open them for you. So this is the Spotlight Blush and Highlight Brush. And this is a more narrow brush, so this is like perfect for highlighting. And this next brush is the Leading Lady Powder Bronze and Buff Brush. A powder brush? It's not giving. It's giving contour. I can see blush. It's giving bronze, but buff. It's not giving buff. So the next product we have is from Nails Incorporated London, and this is their Crystal Ball Roller Glass Duo, and I have it in, it says that these are 2 crystal lip ball glosses infused with real crystals to stimulate lip circulation, and wake up the chakras. So this side right here is the rose quartz, and this side is the amethyst, and this is what she looks like. So next to my Glam Bag Plus, I have this Verb Ghost Prep, which looks very interesting. Okay, this is what the bottle looks like. So it says that this is great for weightless moisture, heat protection, and frizz control. Last but not least, I have the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. I like how she named that. That's really cute. I have tried her goat milk moisturizer. I'm pretty sure that this will be nothing short of amazing, so I can't wait to try this out. So like I said, this bag is $28 a month, and with all its products, it's worth this amount, which is win-win, okay? Win-win. Don't be a loser. So this was a good month for the glam bags. I wasn't disappointed in the products that I received. I'm actually very happy about the products that I received, but sometimes, you know, it's just, you're taking a gamble, okay? You're taking a gamble. But this month, I am very happy. The bags this month, on fleek, okay? They are popping. I think this actually might be my favorite bag set. I'm trying to think. I think this is my favorite bag set. Yeah, definitely this set is definitely my favorite set of the whole year. I mean, the pink, the glitter, it's screaming JaiDoesIt, it's screaming my name. They love me. So baddies, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, if you guys have any ideas for me to try out, let me know down below in the comment section. Make sure we hit that like button and that subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Until next time, baddies.
You see money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week. Tell me, where have you been?